Hello, today we are solving May 2025 Unit 2 IAL paper question number 1 part E. Calculate the profitability index of the project stating the formula used. So this is a Metropolis Traffic PLC company. It is raising a finance for a project through two ways. So it has explored two options, option A and option B. In the first part of the question, we were supposed to calculate the weighted average cost of capital for the option B and identify which option of finance was suitable. So because the option B had only 10% weighted average cost, so it was chosen for the project. And after that, the next part of the question was about calculating what will be the net present value if the investment of around 4 million had happened through the option B, and we had calculated that. Then what is the average rate of the return? So with the profit generated and the investment made, what will be the average rate of the return? It was calculated to be around 17.2%. Now this part of the question asks us to calculate the profitability index of the project. So what is profitability index of the project? Now let's calculate the profitability index of the project. The formula is NPV, net present value of the investment, plus the initial investment you had made over the initial investment times the 100. Now let's calculate. So the NPV of the project, the NPV of the investment was calculated in the part C. Okay, it was around 1639520. So let's write it here, 1639520 plus you will add the initial investment. The initial investment for the project is around 4 million. So 4 million with respect to the 4 million invested, 4 million you had invested, okay, times the 100. So this is going to get my profitability index value. So that is going to be equal to 1.41. okay, 1.41. This is the profitability